Hey guys, it's Tech Teacher here, and today we have got the OXPOWER 10,000 MAH power bank, and in this video we are going to be doing unboxing of this product. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So now let me unbox this product. Actually guys, I bought it about 2 months ago, or maybe more than 2 months ago. I haven't unboxed it, but now let me unbox it. So here we got the power bank, and we also got the USB cable for charging or connecting with a phone. Let me reduce the brightness so that you can see it clearly. I hope now you can see it. Clearly. Here we got the power bank, the OXPOWER 10,000 mAh power bank, and here we got a small display which will show us the battery capacity of it. And then here we got the power on off button to turn it on or off, and here we got an USB port. Then here we got a micro USB port. So this is the power bank, and there is something written here. Let me reduce the brightness so that you can see it clearly. So guys, that's for today. If you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more tech and gaming videos, and also this kind of unboxing videos. And visit our website, you'll get it in the description of this video. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.